The packaging of your soap could be the reason why you're not making sales. I am very intentional in my business, so everything I do has a purpose. And so when it comes to wrapping my soap bars, I use Eco Craft paper, which I ordered from Amazon. It comes with like 1,000 sheets. I think when I got it, it was around like $10 to $15. But I use that because I do want to be environmentally conscious and I don't want to be contributing to waste and other destruction of the environment. So I use my EcoCraft paper. I love the shade of brown. I'm all things black and gold. I graduated from a Florida university. If you can put it in the comments which one you think I graduated from, but our colors are black and gold. So I love everything about any variation of black and gold. And so I wrap them and I use just regular clear tape to seal the ends. And then I use craft paper, which again I ordered from Amazon to actually make the labels. I make all of my labels myself on Canva. So I put the title of the soap or the name of the soap in the middle. I put the ingredients on one side and I put my website on the other side. And then I just tape and seal that so that it's wrapped around the soap bar. All of my packages are packaged in either craft boxes, like craft color boxes, or black boxes, and there is always a gold ribbon that is placed at the bottom. I use white tissue paper just because I want to protect the soap bars from not so much touching the boxes because they're not dirty, but I know that when it comes to mailing things out with United States Postal Service, they toss things around. So I like to create a barrier, which is why I also add in craft crinkle paper into every box. It makes it fuller, so if I don't have enough soap bars to kind of pack it to capacity, that helps with some of the room. And then I add in the boxes. Usually when I do this smaller box, which is a 6x4x2, I can put 4 soap bars in it. I also have a 9x6x4 box, which is where I put my bigger orders in, and that's the black box. Each order comes with 2 sample bars, and I add the sample bars just to give you an opportunity to try out 2 other scents or 2 other recipes, just in case there's something else that may be of interest to you. I also include a handmade soap care card, which is just instructions on how to keep your soap bar lasting as long as possible. I also can include a love letter that is written from the luxurious soap bar to you, encouraging you to enjoy the skin that you're in and keep it healthy. My included thank you card has a 20% off discount, and then I carefully and lovingly wrap it in the tissue paper. And I include a sticker that says thank you for your business. And then I seal the package with the ribbon. And this is where the ribbon comes into play because the ribbon is going to hold the package together while it's going through transit. If there is extra room, I will add bubble wrap into the package because, again, I don't want it flying all over the place. I want it secure and nice for you. So that's how I intentionally package all of my soap orders. So please leave a comment with how you package yours. And for now, Black Hands are out. Bye bye, guys.